How to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. This tutorial shows you how to hide your Facebook profile without permanently deleting it on your Android device. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings to open your Facebook settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Following this, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the Account Center page. Once done, tap on your Facebook account from the list. From here, tap the Manage button right next to your account name. At this stage, tap on Deactivation or Deletion to see both options. After this, select Deactivate Account to temporarily hide your profile. Once completed, follow the on-screen prompts, select the reason for deactivating, and enter your password when prompted. Finally, tap Continue to confirm, and your account will be deactivated right away. Once deactivated, your profile, photos, and posts will be hidden from everyone until you decide to come back. Simply log back in anytime to reactivate your account and restore everything exactly as you left it. And that's it. If this guide helped you temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.